Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we're tackling a big question. Why do Bitcoin and stocks keep going up in the long run, even when the headlines are full of fear? Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so first let's talk about the markets hitting all-time highs. Are we due for a crash? Short answer, nobody can time a crash perfectly. Corrections happen all the time, prices go up, pull back, then climb again, but if you zoom out over 5 years, the direction is clear, higher. Stocks are higher than they were 5 years ago, and Bitcoin is higher too. Now, why do they keep rising? The biggest reason is simple. Governments will never stop printing money. Since 2020, the US dollar has lost nearly a third of its purchasing power. That means cash just keeps losing value, and when cash gets weaker, assets like stocks, Bitcoin, and real estate rise as protection against that constant debasement. But here's the problem most people face. It's what we'd call the education gap. About half of US citizens keep nearly all their wealth in cash. Inflation quietly destroys that savings. Meanwhile, people who invest in assets continue to grow wealth. That's why the wealth gap keeps widening. It's not just about money, it's about knowledge. If you're not investing, you're falling behind. Now let's compare stocks to Bitcoin. Since 2020, the S&P 500 has doubled in dollar terms. That sounds amazing until you measure it in Bitcoin. Against Bitcoin, the S&P is actually down nearly 90%. Bitcoin is becoming the benchmark, and if your portfolio isn't at least keeping pace, you're actually losing ground. A lot of people also ask whether stocks are in a bubble. But here's what's interesting. The biggest companies, the so-called Magnificent Seven, actually look cheaper today compared to their earnings than they did at the start of the year. Why? Because artificial intelligence is driving efficiency and profits. Companies are generating more revenue while cutting costs. That's real growth, and it justifies higher valuations. So where does Bitcoin fit in all this? It's the hardest asset in the system, designed to protect against inflation and unlimited money printing. Governments may eventually hold it on their balance sheets, but even if they don't, adoption keeps growing. As long as fiat currencies lose value, Bitcoin's long-term trend remains higher. Now here's the real risk investors face. It's not a crash. It's listening to constant doom and gloom. Over the last 20 years, the average investor earned just 3.6% a year. Inflation over the same period was around 4%. That means most people actually lost money in real terms, even while the markets were climbing. Why? Because fear made them sell at the wrong times while the wealthy kept buying and holding. So what's the big takeaway? Short-term dips don't matter nearly as much as the long-term trend. Governments will always print more money. That guarantees stocks and Bitcoin will keep rising over time. The winners are the ones who stay invested and disciplined. Diamond hands beat panic selling every time. Now let us ask you, do you think we're heading into another historic run? Or is a big correction coming first? Share your thoughts in the comments, and remember, always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.